Welcome. I want to share something truly powerful with you today. When we talk about living in the end result, we're really discussing a shift in perspective. It's about seeing the outcome you desire as if it has already come to pass. Your mind is a powerful tool, and it can either work for you or against you. The key is to train it to focus on the outcome, not the journey. Let's be clear, it's not about fantasizing or wishing. It's about knowing, without a doubt, that what you want is already yours, and feeling that in every part of your being. Imagine you're already living in the life you desire. What would it feel like? If you could experience it now, how would you walk, talk, and think? Start by putting yourself in that place and feeling those emotions as though they are happening right now. This is how you live in the end result. You embody the feelings of success, happiness, or whatever it is that you want. It's not just about thinking about it, it's about being it. Feel the satisfaction, the peace, or the joy as if it's here. One of the biggest misconceptions people have is that they must wait for their circumstances to change before they can feel differently. But this couldn't be further from the truth. Your outer world reflects your inner world, and when you shift your inner world by living in the end result, the outer world must align with it. You don't need to see the physical proof first, you must first feel it and believe it. When you live in the end result, you are telling your subconscious mind that this is how things are, and your mind will then go to work to bring it to you. It's important to understand that living in the end doesn't mean being passive. It doesn't mean waiting for life to unfold. It means that you act and speak from the place of already having what you desire. Your actions will be inspired by the feelings of having your desires fulfilled. This creates a powerful momentum that will guide you toward your desired outcome. You will no longer be striving, because you already have it. You will move through life with a sense of ease and certainty. Take a moment to think about what you truly want. It could be success in your career, the love you've always dreamed of, financial abundance, or even peace of mind. Now, imagine that you already have it. Imagine waking up every day knowing that your dreams have already come true. How would that feel? What would you do differently? That is the power of living in the end result. Living in the end result isn't about forcing things to happen. It's about aligning yourself with the reality you want. When you feel the end result now, you are sending a powerful signal to the universe that you are ready to receive. It's not about making things happen, but rather allowing them to unfold in perfect timing. You have to trust the process and have faith that what you've imagined is on its way to you. Many people struggle because they focus on the process rather than the end result. They get caught up in the steps, the hows, and the whys. But the truth is, the universe already knows the steps. Your job is to live as if it's already done. The more you live in the end result, the less you will worry about how things will unfold. You will start to see the right opportunities, meet the right people, and have the right ideas. Things will begin to flow effortlessly because you are already aligned with your desired outcome. A powerful exercise you can practice is visualization. Take a few minutes each day to close your eyes and imagine that you are already living in your desired outcome. Picture yourself in the perfect job, in a loving relationship, or experiencing financial freedom. Engage all of your senses in this visualization. Feel the emotions, see the details, and hear the sounds of your ideal life. The more vivid and real you can make this experience, the more powerful it will be. You might be asking, but how do I know if this is really working? The answer is simple: you will feel different. Living in the end result shifts your energy. You will start to feel lighter, more confident, and at peace. You will no longer feel the need to struggle or force things to happen. Instead, you will begin to notice synchronicities and opportunities flowing toward you. These are the signs that your reality is starting to shift. Living in the end result also requires a deep sense of trust. Trust that what you want is already on its way. Trust that everything you desire is already yours, and you're simply waiting for it to show up in your physical reality. This trust allows you to let go of the need to control every aspect of your life. You begin to understand that the universe is always working in your favor, even when things don't look the way you expect. Another important aspect of living in the end result is gratitude. When you feel thankful for what you already have, you open the door to even more blessings. Gratitude aligns your energy with abundance and sends a message to the universe that you are ready to receive. Practice gratitude every day for what you already have and for what you are about to receive. This simple practice will transform your life. It's also important to note that living in the end result requires consistency. You can't just live in the end result for a day or a week and expect things to change. You must live in that feeling every day, no matter what's happening in your life. Your circumstances will begin to reflect your inner world, but you must be patient and persistent. The key to manifesting your desires is to be unwavering in your belief that your desires are already yours. You must live as though they are already a part of your reality. This is how you shift your life and attract everything you've ever wanted. It's not about wishing, hoping, or waiting for things to change. It's about knowing that the end result is already here. Living in the end result is a mindset. It's a way of life. It's about understanding that your thoughts and feelings create your reality. When you align yourself with the end result, you are no longer a passive observer of life. You become an active creator. You choose the life you want, and you live it now. Your desires are not far away, they are already a part of your experience. You just have to tap into that reality and feel it. One of the most powerful aspects of living in the end result is that it keeps you focused on what you want, rather than what you don't want. Often, people get caught up in thoughts of lack, fear, or doubt. These thoughts create resistance and block the flow of your desires. But when you live as if your desires have already manifested, you eliminate resistance. You are no longer focused on the absence of what you want, but on the fullness of having it. This shift is what propels you toward the reality you desire. It's also helpful to create rituals that support your new way of thinking. For example, every morning, you could start your day by mentally rehearsing your end result. This could be visualizing your ideal job, your perfect relationship, or your dream lifestyle. Take a few minutes to truly feel what it would be like to have already achieved everything you want. This practice primes your mind to accept the new reality as if it is already yours. You can also affirm the reality of your desires throughout the day. These affirmations serve as a constant reminder that your dreams are already fulfilled. For example, you might say to yourself, "I am living the life I've always dreamed of," or "Everything I desire is already mine." Repeating these affirmations helps to retrain your subconscious mind, reinforcing the belief that you already have what you desire. So, I encourage you to start today. Visualize your desired outcome. Feel the emotions as if it's already happening. Live as though you've already achieved what you want. Take inspired action when it feels right, but most importantly, trust that the end result is already yours. The universe will work with you, not against you. Keep your thoughts focused on the end result, and your reality will soon match your inner vision. The process is simple, but it requires dedication and faith. Every time you slip back into doubt, remind yourself to live in the end result. Shift your focus back to the feeling of already having what you desire. This small shift in perspective is all it takes to change your life. You have everything you need within you. Live in the end result, and watch as your life transforms before your eyes.